When you're working in flexible modeling, the Recognize and Select Ribbon group provides several shape selection tools to speed up your design process by allowing you to select the surface or surfaces of the geometry you want to change or move. Let's start by taking a look at the Boss and Boss with Secondary tools. They will select simple or more complex boss shapes, but with simple geometry like this, the difference is not that noticeable. However, if we select more complex geometry, you can see the difference when we make a selection using the Boss with Secondary tool. The Cut and Cut with Secondary tool will select simple or more complex cut shapes as well, but as you can see, if we use the Cut with Secondary tool, Creo Parametric also includes the pattern of holes on the bottom of the pocket. If you need to select multiple shapes or a combination of Boss and Cut selections, simply hold down the Control key. When the seed surface of the selection has multiple regions, the Surface Region Selection filter in the lower right can be used to isolate the correct region. After seeing Boss and Cut with Secondary tool, you can pretty easily guess how the Round and Round with Secondary tool will work. They can be used to select round pieces or full sets of round geometry. And just like the previous selection tools, you can hold down the Control key to create multiple round selections. The Recognize and Select ribbon provides you with the shape selections tools that make modeling faster and